Hey everyone, this is JP with Oracle Lighting. Today we have in a Gladiator with a ton of awesome Oracle Lighting products installed. We're going to take you around and show you some of those now. So up front, I'm sure the first thing you notice is the Oculus bi-LED headlights featuring high quality industry-leading projection and DRL halo. We also had the universal pre-runner LED kit offered in amber LED with either a clear or tinted lens. We also have our smoked lens LED side markers, which feature a unique tri-bar design, plug-and-play installation, and they're also brighter than OEM. Coming around to the inside, we have our color shift fiber optic dash kit with Bluetooth control and RF remote. We also have the Starliner panels, which provide a starry night effect as well as 3-inch sound deadening foam to create a buffer to get rid of that noise from the hardtop. So moving to the side of the truck, you'll notice that the fender has this indentation, and we felt like something needed to go there. So we designed this tactical cladding, as well as added in a courtesy light and added safety feature of a turn signal for people who are in your blind spot. Stepping over to the rear of the truck, another product we're extremely excited about is the flush mount taillights featuring the Oracle signature styling, high-powered LED reverse light, plug-and-play installation, and this solves a really common issue of the OEM taillights just sticking out way too far, being a target for rocks and branches when off-roading. And the last thing I'd like to point out in the rear are the bumper reverse lights. These are a great addition to the high-powered reverse lights and the flush mount tail lights. These also come with a plug-and-play adapter.